Welcome to our quick guide on how to allow Facebook to send notifications on your PC with the latest update. If you've ever wondered why you're not getting alerts, this is the right walkthrough to get you back in the loop. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. If you're using the web version, just sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for the menu represented by three dots. This is your access point to device and app settings, so give it a click. From there, you'll see a few options. Choose App Info to dive into more detailed settings. You'll find a section labeled Settings. Open that up to continue. Here we're focusing on permissions that control how Facebook interacts with your browser and system. Under Permissions, you'll notice a row labeled More Settings Permissions. Click on that to reveal the notification controls. This is where you decide how Facebook can ping you with updates and alerts. Next to notifications, you'll find a setting that's currently blocking or limiting alerts. Change this to Ask. By selecting Ask, you're telling Facebook to request permission each time it needs to push a notification or to prompt you before sending anything that would interrupt your workflow. With this change in place, you'll regain visibility into new posts, comments, messages, and important updates. If you don't see immediate changes, refresh the Facebook page or restart your browser to apply the new permissions. It's a quick step that makes a big difference in staying connected. A few quick tips. Make sure your browser's own notification settings aren't silencing Facebook. Some browsers have separate notification controls that can override in-app choices. Also, keep an eye on Facebook's general notification center in case you want to toggle specific types of alerts after you've granted permission. That's it, simple steps to re-enable notifications on Facebook for your PC with the latest update. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who might need a nudge to stay up to date.